When you apply too much pressure to the needle, the ink goes too deep into the skin, and the skin can't absorb it properly. This can cause the ink to remain in deeper layers of the skin, leading to skin damage. Additionally, excessive pressure can cause more irritation and bleeding. For proper shading, the pressure should be balanced. With a light and controlled touch, the ink is evenly and naturally absorbed into the skin, creating soft, seamless shadows without damaging the skin. Mistake 2. Using an incorrect machine speed. Using the wrong machine speed can significantly affect the quality of your shading. Too fast or too slow can result in uneven shading, poor ink deposition, and even skin damage. When the machine speed is too fast, the ink doesn't stay in the skin long enough, leading to weak or inconsistent shading. If the speed is too slow, the ink may build up in one area, causing dark spots or unwanted lines. To achieve smooth and even shading, it's crucial to find the correct machine speed based on the needle and design you're working with. Adjust the speed according to your technique and the desired effect. Mistake 3. Using the wrong needle. Using the wrong needle can greatly affect the quality of your shading and make the final result look unprofessional. For proper shading, always choose the right needle based on the type of work and design. If you need soft and natural shading, Magnum needles are a better option. Selecting the right tools is the first step toward achieving professional results. Mistake 4. Ignoring proper gradients. Gradients, or the smooth transition of shading, are one of the most crucial aspects of professional tattoo shading. Neglecting this can result in shading that looks patchy and unnatural. A good gradient is achieved when the shading transitions smoothly from dark to light. If your hand movement is inconsistent or the amount of ink isn't controlled properly, the shading can appear uneven, dull, or unprofessional. To create a beautiful gradient, use soft and consistent hand movements while controlling the pressure and machine speed. Practicing on simple designs can help you master natural and professional-looking gradients. Mistake 5. Using too much or too little ink. Controlling the amount of ink is a key factor in professional shading. Using too much or too little ink can result in unnatural or uneven outcomes. If too much ink is applied to the skin, the shading may look dark and harsh, and it can even damage the skin. On the other hand, using too little ink can result in light, incomplete, and inconsistent shading. This mistake often happens due to improper control of hand angle or machine pressure. If you want to learn more, don't miss my previous video, 7 Tattoo Shading Techniques, from Basic to Advanced. Whip Shading Technique. Stipple Shading. Dot Shading. Smooth Shading. Soft Shading. Tight Shading Technique. Blended Shading Technique. It's packed with practical tips to help you master shading like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for your support.